Stratence Partners is a company that has been in the business for about 25 years. Originally we started looking into one specific area of the business, trying to resolve this pricing area, and we've evolved and developed into a more strategic area, which is commercial effectiveness and the optimization of the companies itself, of the strategy.
What our customers are appreciating with working with Stratence Partners is some key differentiators. The first one is that we are result-oriented, right? So our projects are producing results in terms of profit improvement, in terms of sales, net sales improvement.
So in essence, the company, Stratence Partners, is here to make successful and to make the people successful in the organizations we work with. There is leveraging of the latest technologies, such as Internet of Things, particularly the blockchain progress and advance, and later the artificial intelligence. This goes hand in hand with the data flows that are enabled for these customers. On an average, we're talking about 12% increased profitability.
One of the things that we need to help our customers is to implement in the real world. So our consulting services and systems and outsourcing are not only about nice slides and Excel spreadsheet and so on, but it's really to get our hands dirty with the customer and to implement in the field to extract the result, all the potential that the customer has in the real world, right? Second point is about capability transfer. So it's not that we do the project for our customers, is that we do the project with our customers. So we transfer the methodology, we transfer the expertise, we transfer the tools, we transfer everything that at the end the customer keeps going on this journey for improving and strategy optimization and pricing excellence and commercial effectiveness, right? So continuous improvement, but also dynamic adaptation to the changes in the market, right? So another thing that is quite interesting for our customer is this mix of consulting, because we are a consulting company, but also we provide the system solution. We help the customers also to select, to implement, and to really leverage the best-in-class technology that is available at each moment for the specific case of the customer. So that's also really appreciated. There is another point also that is quite interesting, and all our customers are underlying that, is that the change management piece, right? We work around processes and data and systems and governance, but at the end, people is the most important aspect in all our projects. Without the people and without having the organization understanding and embracing a project, that at the end we can call that a transformation project, right? The likelihood to succeed will be quite low. So we know that we need to spend a lot of time with the people to make sure that they understand, that they participate, and that at the end, what would be installed will be really sustainable over time for the customer. So just to give you some examples on how we help some quite well-known customers like Boehringer Ingelheim or General Electric or McDonald's. In all cases, we've started by doing a diagnostic. It's important that the organization will understand where they are today and where they have the opportunity to be tomorrow, right? At the same time, not only to provide to this organization this short and long-term view, but also to measure with the organization what is the size of the prize, what is the return on investment. So we do an exercise also in terms of taking the data, running analytics, sharing these analytics with the cross-functional team, making sure that they understand that there is money, right? So it's not a theory exercise, it's really an exercise, a project, a transformation project that will bring back a lot of money to the organization. When the diagnostic is done and we know how much money do we have, we go for piloting, right? So we need to prove also that the new concept, the best practice that we've been designed with the organization are really working well, right? So we pilot one country, one business unit, and so on, and we demonstrate that it is really providing the result that we are expected. Also, we take advantage to fine-tune the design, for sure. When we have this short to long-term roadmap, when we have a clear understanding and the validation from the organization of the quantity of money, and we've demonstrated that it works, then we can move to a roadmap of implementing sustainable solutions in terms of processes, governance, people, data, and systems over the next 2, 3, 4, or 5 years. And that's the full landscape of a project that we do.